Warning! The following experiments are dangerous and should only be done with adult supervision. For this experiment to work, we need a plastic bottle, some isopropyl alcohol, and a lighter. We also need some sort of tool to make a hole in the bottle. Let me see if this works. Oh, it worked! Perfect! I'm using 96% pure alcohol. Higher purity means more thrust. Okay, so to actually build this thing, first we put some alcohol inside of the bottle, then shake it a bit, and then we make sure to eliminate all the fluid. We only want the gas. Okay, let's test it. Hoped you liked the video. If so, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!